Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Arduino IDE for your Windows laptop or PC, and this method works for Windows 10 or 11. So first you open your browser, any browser that you are using. You just in the search bar type Arduino IDE, and then as you can see here you will find two. There is the first one official website and the second one also official website. You can use whatever that you want. So let's use the first one. You just click here, scroll down a little bit, and here as you can see you will find the last version updated for Arduino. You can download it of course, and here as you can see when you click here you can just choose either you are using Linux, Mac or Windows. There is Windows for MSE laptops, or you just can zip file, or simply this is the best one, Windows 10 or any newer. You just click here and you just click on download, and the download will start it. Here you choose whether you want to save it, and as you can see, and once it's done you just click on it and you start the installation. Just keep clicking on next. There is nothing in the settings to change, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.